We sold our beautiful renovated Queenslander in far north Queensland to go on a road trip down to Tasmania because we bought this beautiful property. We are Maggie, James, and Melissa. So we're all set up and it was pretty cruisy driving today, some bumpy spots, but a lot of it was really smooth. So let's check out the trailer and see if all the preparations and I don't have any damage today. Let's see. It's looking good because James strapped there. Put a chain up here to keep the generator in place. The generator is tied to the dunny, which is just through there, and tied most things down, so nothing moved, no damage. Yay, a win. Awesome. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately for work, but not for me, I've got internet, so I'm going to be doing some work. I hope you're proud of me, boss. I could get used to this working in the bush with the background of this, and the birds are cooing in the background. Better get to work. Looks like we've got a wicked storm coming in. Oh, did you see that? So, sunset's happening there. Look at the colours. See the lightning. So this is a first. Working in a thunderstorm. Outdoors. So this is turning out to be a massive thunderstorm, and Puppy is absolutely petrified. She hates thunderstorms. You probably can hear it. She hates it. Puppy. So we're cowering underneath the awning while it's a doozy of a thunderstorm. It's quite exciting.
Thor has spoken.
But Puppy absolutely hates it, so, but it's pretty cool. The colours are amazing. Just lights up everything.
Where is the microphone? Hopefully it's in the seat pocket or something. Did you see it fly away?
Day number 6, we are leaving this beautiful lagoon after a wild and woolly night of that storm, and yeah, we should be crossing the Queensland-New South Wales border. Let's get this show on the road. So we made it to New South Wales. We are at our campsite, all set up, just had dinner, I've done some work, and we are in Narrabri. And tomorrow we will be at my ancestral home in Parks. We'll be staying there for about 4 days. Got some things we need to do, and yeah. So this is the Big Sky Caravan Park in Narrabri. We have a night light on Maggie so that when she goes wandering around and you haven't got an eye on her, we can see her. It's quite bright actually. Next morning we are all packed up. Day 6, 7, and we're off to Parks, my ancestral home. And it's a bit of a blowy one. It's been blowing a gale since 3 AM, so we're ready to get out of the wind and on the road. See you in Parks.
We've got the wind in our backs.
Okay, hopefully you can see that. We have a 4-hour, 28-minute, 384-kilometre journey to Parks. Let's get this show on the road. to Parks, and as you can see behind me is the home that has been in the family since 1914. My great-grandfather built it. So this is where we leave the video. We're going to be in Parks for 4 to 5 days, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.